Hello from Jordan Franson Commercials. Here we have a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 316 rear wheel drive, so meaning wheelbase or L3 H3. So this is a generator compressor van, direct from LEASE. We have quite a few of these in stock and they're always coming through. So this one's got a warranty just over 107,000 miles. So being a generator compressor van, you've got the air output. So this is set to 8 bar but can be tuned up to 9.5, so you can get over 150 psi if needed. And there's your 110 volt outlets. Front and rear beacons, rear chevrons, full length reflective stripe. You've also got the locks on that's a statement lock, and then a deadlock on the side door, so you've got all the keys. And obviously being a 20 reg does meet Euro 6 ULEZ, so you can go into the clean air zones free of charge. You've also got a deadlocks on the passenger and the driver's door. I'll just show you the setup on the inside. What I'll actually do is engage the compressor, so 3 full-size seats. Nice spec on these, aircon, ice cold, cruise control, Apple CarPlay here as well. So the compressor, down there, snipped up. You can hear the compressor engage slightly, down into fourth, slowly off the clutch. So that's your compressor engaged now, your PTO. You've got Apple CarPlay as well.